Look around the room you're in right now. Fix your eyes on a piece of clothing that belongs to you and that is rather old. Bring it to a central point in your space. Feel the texture of this piece of clothing. Does this used fabric share any of the same qualities with you? Smell it with your eyes closed. Who were you when you first had this on? What have you learned since then? Ponder this while you fold the piece of clothing. Now find something in your space that contrasts in texture with the piece of clothing. Take this item to your central point. Touch both objects at the same time. If this piece of clothing is a representation of you, who of your close friends could be the other object? In what sense do you and your friend look alike? How are you complementary? What would you like to say to this person if they were standing next to you? Write this sentence down on the first piece of paper you find in your space. Now put this piece of clothing, the object, and the phrase in a nice composition. Take a photo of the composition. Behold, a new image of your quarantine.